अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू माय वाईटी फैमिली। क्या हाल है? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। जी, तो आज हमने पढ़ना है हिडन करिकुलम। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि हिडन करिकुलम क्या है। कॉइन्ड बाय फिलिप जैक्सन, process that involves the transmission of norms and values as well as a body of socially approved knowledge. People learn things that are not actually taught in the formal curriculum. A term used to describe the unwritten rules and expectation of behavior that we all seem to know but were never taught. A hidden curriculum can be defined as the lessons that are taught informally and usually unintentionally in a school system. These include behaviors, perspectives, and attitudes that students pick up while they are at school. This is contrasted with the formal curriculum, such as the courses and activities students participate in. The hidden curriculum refers to traits of behaviors or attitudes that are learned at school but which are not officially included in the national school curriculum. In short, it is an unstated agenda that conveys certain aspects like school curriculum. In short, it is an unstated agenda that conveys certain aspects like punctuality, discipline, obedience, and respect of others, hard work, having a competitive spirit of highlighting gender differences among students. Moreover, it can be said that the hidden curriculum is what a student unconsciously learns through his/her school experience. According to the book Curriculum Development, Bilbao at 2008, hidden curriculum refers to the physical condition of the classroom or the school environment, the mood of the teacher or the students, the teacher-learner interactions, the peer influence, that other factors that may affect the delivery of the lesson. Another term of hidden curriculum is the unintended curriculum, which is not actually planned but may change the behavior or affect the learning outcomes of students. So, what does it mean? More often than not, when teachers plan for a lesson by writing lesson plan or syllabus, there are some parts that are not fully implemented due to the presence of the hidden curriculum. Hidden curriculum refers to the unwritten, unofficial, and often unintended lesson, values, and perspectives that students learn in school, while the format curriculum consists of the courses, lessons, and learning activities students participates in, as well as the knowledge and skills educators teach to students. The hidden curriculum consists of the unspoken or implicit academic, social, and culture messages that are communicated to students while they are in school. The hidden curriculum concept is based on the recognitions that students absorb lesson in school that may or may not be part of formal courses of study. For example, how they should interact with peers, teachers, and other adults, how they should perceive different races, groups, or classes of people, or what ideas and behaviors are considered acceptable or unacceptable. It should be noted that a hidden curriculum can reinforce the lessons of the formal curriculum, or it can contradict the formal curriculum, revealing hypocrisies or inconsistencies between a school's started missions, values, and convictions, and what students actually experience and learn while they are in school. The hidden curriculum begins early in a child education. Students learn to inform opinions and ideas about their environment and their classmates. For example, hidden curriculum, children learn way to act to school, meaning what is going to make them popular with teachers and students. They also learn what is expected of them. For example, many students pick up on the fact that air and test scores and what really matter. These students and ideas are not taught in any formal way, but kids absorb and internalize them through natural observation and participation in classroom and social activities. In our school, which student deals with issue, gender, morals, social class, cultural expectations, politics, language. Dear students, इंशाल्लाह कल हम आज हमने हिडन करिकुलम को देखा है, तो कल जो है वो हम कोर करिकुलम को देखेंगे। तो इंशाल्लाह कल आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। इजाजत दीजिए, अल्लाह हाफिज।